At the 55th Paris Air Show, held from June 16 to 22, 2025, French drone maker Delair showcased its latest innovation, the DT61, a hybrid unmanned aerial vehicle built for extended reconnaissance and monitoring missions. The aircraft merges a fixed-wing structure with vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, functionality, making it the company's most advanced UAV to date. Designed for wide-area surveillance over land and sea, the DT61 targets both civilian operations and defense applications. With a maximum takeoff weight of 100 kilograms, the DT61 carries up to 15 kilograms of mission-specific equipment. Thanks to its 4 vertical lift motors and aerodynamic wings, the drone eliminates the need for runways while offering stable long-range flight. This VTOL fixed-wing hybrid design enables smooth transitions between vertical lift and horizontal travel. The drone is engineered for long missions, staying airborne for over 7 hours and maintaining control links across distances exceeding 100 kilometers. Operators can prepare and launch the system in under half an hour, and it's easily transported in compact vehicles such as pickup trucks, emphasizing its adaptability to austere conditions. The DT61 supports a wide suite of sensor packages simultaneously, including thermal imaging via cooled mid-wave infrared systems, ISR radar capable of detecting ground movement in adverse weather, and SIGINT tools for intercepting and analyzing radio frequencies. This modular integration allows the DT61 to execute complex multi-purpose ISR operations within a single sortie. Developed in partnership with French aerospace firm Aviation Design and Systems integrator Shield Robotics, a subsidiary of Evitech Group, the DT61 builds on proven technologies from Delair's earlier platforms. The system has entered its final validation phase and is expected to begin missions by late 2025, with commercial release anticipated before year's end. This launch aligns with Delair's objective to offer UAVs across the full 1 to 100 kilograms operational bracket, addressing diverse public and private sector needs. Headquartered in Lebège near Toulouse, Delair also operates from Marseille, Paris, and Grenoble, and currently employs over 200 personnel. The company's ecosystem spans a mix of fixed-wing and multi-rotor UAVs, as well as loitering munitions, all centrally controlled via the Draco Universal Ground Station. The DT61 builds on the legacy of earlier platforms like the DT46, which has been used by the French Navy and evaluated in various mission environments. Notably, Delair is part of major French defense programs such as Colibri and Larini, delivering surveillance drones and loitering munitions to the French Ministry of Armed Forces and Ukrainian Defense Forces. In March 2024, the company secured a 100-unit drone order destined for Ukraine. These deals strengthen Delair's strategic role within France's defense industrial ecosystem. Alongside the DT61 debut, Delair is also pushing propulsion innovation. At the same air show, the company introduced 2 upgraded DT46 versions, one hybrid electric variant developed with Ascendance under the DOCHR project, and a hydrogen-powered model backed by EU defense initiatives. The hybrid drone uses a Sterna propulsion system that recharges its batteries mid-flight, extending VTOL mission time from 3.5 to over 5.5 hours. Both variants are undergoing trials at the DGA missile test site in Biscarrosse and are being assessed for maritime patrol and telemetry missions. Already under evaluation by the French Army's technical branch, STAT, the DT46 offers dual operational modes, vertical for autonomous launch/landing, and fixed-wing for longer endurance flights with assisted takeoff. 2 complete systems, airframes, control units, and antennas, were delivered in 2024 for tactical assessment. The DT46 operates securely via AES-256 encryption and interfaces with military systems like Atlas and Scorpion. Its compatibility with NATO STANAG 4609 further enhances its deployment value. Following successful tests by SEDAIM, France's National Gendarmerie will integrate the DT46 into its law enforcement fleet from mid-2025. Delair's drone tech isn't limited to military roles. In early 2024, Canadian nonprofit Ecogene 21 used a DT46 to conduct a 150 km BVLOS flight to deliver medication and retrieve biological samples in remote areas. The DT46's LiDAR version, enhanced with Yellowscan's Voyager and high-resolution RGB cameras, is ideal for building digital twins, terrain mapping, and infrastructure checks. This setup, which debuted at Intergeo 2024, is deployable in just 15 minutes and is compatible with a variety of payloads including EO/IR gimbals, IMSI trackers, and SIGINT modules. It operates reliably in temperatures from -15 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius and wind speeds up to 35 knots, meeting ARP 4561 and DO 178 standards for safety and BVLOS compliance. Delair's financial performance has kept pace with its technological expansion. Annual revenue jumped from €10 million in 2023 to €30 million in 2024, with projections of €60 million for 2025 and an ambitious €100 million target by 2027. This growth is fueled by both defense contracts and the firm's ongoing push into civil drone services. Under the Indra project, backed by PIFRANCE and the Occitanie region, Delair is collaborating with AI specialists at Dagos and researchers at the Institut de Mathématiques de Toulouse to optimize drone energy efficiency by 20%. Together with the operational rollout of the DT61, these initiatives aim to establish Delair as a key supplier of domestically produced, regulation-compliant UAVs for the European market, offering alternatives to American, Chinese, and Israeli competitors in both civil and military arenas.